Hello, everybody. So, I already told you that I will make a live session with at least 10 signals for you to make some profit and follow the signals. But unfortunately, I will not be able to make a live session with this small number of subscribers. There's not much people in this channel. So, once this channel reached perhaps 10,000 subscribers, I will make um, I will make a live session with 10 signals for you guys to follow. You'll be able to follow every signal I take, every deal I take, and make some profit from it. And it will be 100% winning signals. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. You will make some profit from this live sessions. But I can't make it just like this. You need guys to like the video. If this video reach 10,000 likes or 10,000 subscribers, I will make a live session for you guys, trading live. You follow me, and I will share with you 10 signals. If you can't wait until that time, you can just learn the strategy I'm using in my videos. It's a great strategy, guys. Trust me, it's a 100% winning strategy. You will understand everything. You will be able to avoid losing, and you will win every time you enter a deal. You will know when you enter a deal. So to learn this strategy, just purchase the course that is in the link in the description of this video. Purchase it, learn from it, and follow the rules. There is 12 episodes in this course. You will be able to understand everything about the buy now digital strategy. By the way, this strategy is called buy now digital. It's my own strategy. I'm the creator of this strategy. You will buy it from the Warud Academy. I'm selling to them all the rights for this course. They are the owners, but I am the creator of this strategy. Learn it, guys. Practice, and you will be able to win in the binary option. I know it's hard. It's been years for me losing. Losing will never stop. If you try different strategies, and it will be hard for you guys. But I finally made this strategy. It was something crazy. Totally a smart method, smart strategy. Just learn it, guys. And you will understand what I'm talking about here. So for the live session, I will not make a live session if this video don't reach at least 10,000 likes or 10,000 subscribers on this channel. So for those who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. So once I make a live video, a lot of people will attend this live session, and a lot of people will take advantage from this strategy. And I hope a lot of people will buy the course and learn it too. It's a chance for you. Just go ahead, learn it. I'm using the strategy on IQ option. You can use it in any other platform that allow binary option. It's up to you guys. Wish you good luck. Okay.